So linge taringe tinda ko tsugi taringan chulup tsin sumchu suptim pati tai tinanglo la there was were yangna there has have been yangna there will be la tige khande phechu chego yeme kor la cha de re e dinanjik si waina there was there were there la de pna le phage la ro chik thuchik la ro de chagra was la dingan chu khare is ki de chik che de chik nanglo la is khwa yone yang thada wala was la di de chik nan the che were la di are gi de chik mangchik chin chago ra past tense race there is a train every hour chuchu chik chik la nam mekor chik chik yore le che ro ta ding e le yin baina the time is 11:15 now ta thanda chuchu chik da kama chong chuchu chik dang mas gongma chuchu chuk chik da kama chong a ina there was a train at 11 o'clock chuchu chuk chik la nam du na ta kama chong a ye char ro che chang was la ni ding yen la yore le di che che da da is tang ar la na thatawa gi che che was the word la na debana ding yen la yore le che ro is was de khare is ki de chigre word de khare ar ki de chigre ta there is a good film on TV tonight thari konda timu ya bu chiyores ani khasang khisi khajang yo baina there was a good film on TV last night khasang konda ani timu ya bu chitu lej konda kon tangong kongmas tangong ledi we are staying at a very big hotel there are 250 rooms nganchu jongang pe chepojna de yo so dila khangba ga ju dila ni yang up chu dus ta decing na ina we stayed at a very big hotel state len decing na le so ani there were room ni yang up chula duchik le ma insan there were len thia che ta thiwa ina are there any letters for me this morning tari shoko ta taringal yigiri ke dwel len ke cha thirwa ta dingela dwel ina tango dwel khasang dwel baina were there any letters for me yesterday khasang ngala letter ke dwe decik le ro argi decik word che I am hungry, but there isn't anything to eat. Nga thoto tu sine and there isn't negative nanti dwara. Saya ke mindus. When I got home, nga nang lale du kharidu, I was hungry. Was le swara nga thoto the yes, but there wasn't anything to eat. Ine khazan saya ke mindus. Ta bi dinala. Has been the have been the khadu thigor la warajina present perfect. Present perfect dingel nga jo lupsen chinang lo lupsen yishu nang do sariterwa. Nishu mara kongma nishu nang simple past the present perfect ki dure ro di che ine di kang gilop chen chik present perfect nan chen sa ware present perfect di khar lana dingyo na lega che de panan go chu ine ta thanda ngechar do chik chargyo roj da ngechar ki dingye ni thadaw ke ke cha shigyo pa ina present perfect the ro che dingye la ba chawa ro jim ba ina ani past simple the ra tata look there's been the s the is law mar da ra the has law da look there has been an accident tada phagela accident chik chashas thine this road is very dangerous there have been many accidents ra accident chik le mawa mangchi imbaina have been chik imbaina has been ta there was an accident last night khazan chik chungre la imbaina ani was lan theater jo ra duscha tas sidinang khar lagor will be there will be le jama chungure le dara do you think there will be a lot of people at the party on Saturday yongyu Saturday sa pembala party la mi mangbu pelli resam ge dewes the manager of the company is leaving so there will be a new manager soon there will be thanda manager company ke manager ti dwere shas chesanta manager sawa chigyokbol ligires I am going away tomorrow. I will do my packing today because there won't be, will not be time tomorrow. Nga sangi drawings chezang ta tharing nga packing chains kajana na there won't be time tomorrow. Sangi tujo yo maris duscha. Tangan tu chongzin chiginda. Tangbodi nang kari layo lawarajina. Remote ge latane there was there were lene disik pejo chis. An armchair, a carpet, armchair lana dige kupkya cha. Carpet lana den diche some flowers lana meto che sofa lana di kuptek diche some books lana thep che clock le chuzo le ra de three pictures par sum che a small table dog the chinju chik there was a clock on the wall near the window damlo clock chik dus chaswa koran the tang so dash on the floor carpet chik dwara there was a carpet on the floor. The dash on the wall near the door. picture sum dora ani chikle mawa isang word there were 3 pictures on the wall near the door dash in the middle of the room table ra there was a table in the middle of the room dash on the table some flowers chikle mawa isang there were some flowers on the table tige to thupa timba gebal henge so cheche put in there wasn't was there were there weren't were there ta was were ni di thiwa so negative so kaptu so tinde china masham de ther da I was hungry but there wasn't anything to eat nga tho to de ine sa kemindu lan khunju chidwa were there any letters for me yesterday thiwa re do kasang nge chidu letter ke to ele di cha cha do Sumba dash a football match on TV last night. Did you see the Tiwaridwa? There, mare kongmatsun Tiwa the jailer door tango do lera. There was a football match. We stayed at a very nice hotel. Did you chirang the imbes dash a swimming pool? There was a swimming pool. And did you buy any eggs? Gonga kenyo imbes no. There any in the shop. There weren't any in the shop. There weren't any eggs any there weren't and kaptu the wallet was empty. Bagu tongbarishas dash any money in it. There weren't any money in it. Dash many people at the meeting. No, very few. Were there many people in the meeting? We didn't visit the museum. Dash enough time. There weren't enough time. Okay. That dito gepa kubo chupa dilangi so cheche. Okay, lasso. Next day, put in there is, are, was, were, has been, have been, will be. That there nyamdo thari jangyo changma nyamdo che che. There was a good film on TV yesterday evening. That dash 24 hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. Dash a party at the club last Friday, but I didn't go. There was there was a party. Ani where can I buy a newspaper? Newspaper ko nyu chogu yorle du tada ge ge dash a shop. Ani shop chigredo. There's THERE. There is a shop in TH. When we arrived at the cinema, dash a long queue to see the film. There was a long queue. When you arrive tomorrow, dash somebody at the station to meet you. There will be somebody. 10 years ago, there were 500 children at the school. Now, there is. Dus chinteche ani chema dil hengi zo inangle chinang zo dus shali